Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare probiotic rice. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of white rice, 2 cups of filtered water, and a starter culture like a probiotic capsule or a tablespoon of fermented vegetable brine. Ensure your rice is thoroughly rinsed to remove excess starch. This initial step is crucial for a successful fermentation process. We will then move on to the soaking and culturing stages. To begin, measure out 1 cup of your chosen white rice. Rinse it under cool, running water until the water is completely clear. This removes surface starches that could hinder fermentation. Next, place the rinsed rice into a clean glass jar. Add 2 cups of filtered water, ensuring the rice is fully submerged. Now, introduce your starter culture: 1 opened probiotic capsule or 1 tablespoon of unpasteurized fermented vegetable brine works well. Once your rice, water, and starter are combined, cover the jar loosely with a breathable cloth or coffee filter, secured with a rubber band. This allows air to circulate while keeping contaminants out. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. Let it ferment for 24 to 48 hours. You can taste a small amount after 24 hours. It should have a pleasant, slightly tangy flavor, indicating active fermentation. After fermentation, your probiotic rice is ready. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. To best preserve the beneficial bacteria, serve your probiotic rice cold or at room temperature. Avoid heating it, as high temperatures can destroy the probiotics. Enjoy it as a nutritious side dish, mixed into salads, or paired with your favorite vegetables for a gut-friendly meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.